Okay, cool. All right, sounds good. All right, bye.
All right, do you want these in like your own bag, kind of, or you want to carry them? Might be easier.
Did you want one of those?
Well, look at that jar.
You have an escapee right here.
Thank you.
Hi, sir. I saw you have the honeys for sale. Is it from your own farm?
Yes, we've got Good Measure Farm
Okay.
in Spring City.
In Spring City, okay.
Yes, and we've got honey. We've got our own honeybees, and we've got chickens that we sell the eggs from, and then we make different salves from and lotions and lip balm from our from the beeswax that we get from our bees.
Okay. So you didn't carry the fresh eggs to here, only you carry the local honeys.
Yes.
Can you tell what's the flavor and the original flavor or the...
Yes, you can try some honey too if
I
you'd
can
like.
try some, okay.
Yes.
If not, we'll buy one bottle today.
But yes, this is farm fresh. These eggs were all laid this week still.
Okay.
So everything's fresh and good flavor.
All right. Thank you so much.
But that home that we're not going to sell. Because who knows how long they were on that roof.
Pints for
Okay,
16
for the 16.
and the half pints for 10.
Okay, all right. What's your name, sir?
Ruan Swanepoel.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
What's your name, little gentleman?
Saber.
Is that this Thursday? I just... Okay. You better.
Really love is the merchant. They do that even more than like when a bird comes to one of these.
Well, sir.
It's actually because it's
It's all right.
Oh, yeah, I think you kind of got it.
Hey, how are you, sir?
Good. How you doing?
Good. I bought this one called the Cherokee Green.
Yes, ma'am.
So when it's ready to eat, still this color will not change to the red.
No, it's real green on the inside when you slice it.
Oh, slice is
Yeah.
real green
To
inside.
make some green sauce out of it.
Okay, is this for the stir fry or just for the salad, like the plain to eat?
Or either. It's good. It's good just to eat on a sandwich too.
Oh, okay, thank you. So I buy this one. Also have this is called what's this called?
German Johnson.
German Johnson. What's inside?
It's a pink tomato.
It's a pink. So
Yeah.
this is ready to eat too.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right, thank you. So would you please? I bought these two.